What's boxier Mercedes and dates back to the late 70s? You get 3 guesses and the first 2 don't count. Yeah, that's right. It's the beloved G-Wagon. And we just got back from our first drive in the refresh 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Here's what we thought. The 2025 G-Wagon's big takeaway is there are now 3 powertrains to choose from. A 3-liter turbocharged inline-6, a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, both with mild hybrid power and an all-electric version. Look, the G-Wagon is an exercise in preservation. All of them look basically the same. So unsurprisingly, these new ones also drive as G-Wagons should. Both the G550 and G63 come equipped with a 9-speed automatic, 4-wheel drive and 3 locking diffs as standard. On road, the 443 horsepower inline-6 G550 is incredibly smooth and quiet. If you're getting ready to pour one out for the V8 it replaces, don't bother, there's no turbo lag whatsoever because of the integrated electric motor generator. Likewise, the 577 horsepower G63 is also smooth, but smooth in the way a right hook is. It punches off the line. And while the electric drive system is pretty imperceptible, you can sense it's working in the background to fill the torque curve. This engine is turbocharged, but it sure as hell doesn't feel like it. And that's definitely because of the hybrid system. Off-road, the GFI50 works and works well. This Beverly Hills Mountcrawler climbed mountains, man. Its trio of locking differentials make it pretty unstoppable. So unstoppable, in fact, that would even be comfortable comparing it to the Jeep Wrangler, Rubicon and Ford Bronco, the class of SUVs with locking front and rear diffs. As for the G63 off-road, unreal. There's a new, hydraulically linked suspension that lets it corner super flat and super fast. It soaks up moderately sized bumps and dips like they're child's play. We even jumped it and the truck absorbed that shock, while keeping things comfortable in the cabin. The cabin retains the same layout as the outgoing G-Wagon. However, we'll note here that these small exterior aerodynamic tweaks that Mercedes did, along with additional sound deafening, make this the quietest G-Wagon cabin ever. You can actually have a conversation with fellow passengers. At highway speeds, Mercedes did not announce pricing at this time, but it's not like the G-Wagon's gonna get cheaper. You can expect things to start at over $140,000.